Hello everyone, welcome to Stenographers. This is Delhi District Court legal dictation at 100 words per minute. Ready please? The petitioner has relied upon judgment EXP1 titled National Cold Storage and Refrigeration Private Limited versus UOI and others. In Pankaj Bhardwaj Supra, reliance of same method is adopted as in EXP1. In EXP1, the instance of sale and purchase of property produce in evidence for residential area are taken into consideration, and thereafter method of averages is adopted. Thereafter, three times that of residential rates are taken into consideration for determination of commercial rates of land. The respondent in the present matter has purchased sale deed dated 18/11/2009 EXR4 pertaining to area Nawabganj, Pulbangash Azad Market, Delhi, on property built up area measuring 39 square meter. Another sale deed relied upon by the respondent is EXR6 pertaining to Kacha Mahajani, Chandni Chowk, Delhi, dated 29/5/2009, area measuring 79.16 square meter for consideration of 20 lakh rupees. The said property is not seen as commercial property in EXR4 or EXR6. In evidence of RW1 for R1 UOI during cross-examination, it is deposed that property in question is commercial one. However, the property is one hall on the first floor, and in the sale deed it is not seen that it is a commercial property. The learned counsel for respondent number 1 could not have personal knowledge to depose in this respect, and therefore such deposition of the counsel in this respect cannot be regarded as evidence for determination that the property in question is used for commercial purpose. Further, the respondents have failed to submit that how the area Azad Market and the area Chandni Chowk described in the above exhibits is similar and near to the Roshanara Road or to the acquired land. Learned counsel for petitioner has pointed out that the above sale deeds were also relied upon by the respondents in EXP1 National Cold Storage and others versus UOI, where they failed to prove that the said sale deed pertains to the area similar to that of acquired land. In para number 23 of EXP1, it was found that the property in question falls under village civil station under the category C, and that such instance had not been taken into consideration by the LAC as per the award. However, the purpose is to determine the correct market value, and merely filing the sale deed of various properties does not serve the purpose unless and until it is shown that the sale deed filed resemble the correct market value of the acquired land. In the Iker City map, EXPW4/2 is filed with MPD 2021 EXPW4/1. The respondent has failed to disprove that the land acquired is not near Pulbangash metro station and at zero distance from Rani Jhansi Road, or that it is not used for commercial purpose. It is at zero distance from Pulbangash metro station. In judgment titled Pankaj Bhardwaj Supra at para number 30, it is found that when the same instance of Nawabganj, Chandni Chowk, Delhi, which are far from acquired property, are produced by the respondents herein, then there is no reason that why Roshanara Road, Kothi Mem are not similar to the acquired land.